Open the Word document you want to resize and print. In the top menu, click on the Layout tab. In the Page Setup group, click on Size. Select a paper size from the drop-down menu or enter a custom size. In the Page Setup group, click on Margins and adjust the margins as needed. To print your document, click on the Print button in the top left corner, or press Ctrl+P. Select Printer. Choose your printer from the list. Select the paper size that matches your printable's dimensions. Choose Portrait or Landscape orientation as needed. Adjust the scaling to fit the printable to the paper size if necessary. Click Print to print your resized printable.